He left the door open. We're breaking an entrance. All right, guys, the door is getting open now. We're gonna find out what the truck looks like. Oh no, it's stretched to pieces now. Oh my. Oh, the little pieces and bots. So you changed the mind on the color?
No, maybe.
So you want to turn it into that? And here we go again, guys. The missus is driving. Anyway, she's my driver for the time being. Driving to Ben. I just been speaking to Ben by text, and he texts me saying I'll be there in 15 minutes, and I was like, all right, no problems. And then I said, should I act surprised? And he just texts saying like, if you like to see your truck in pieces, like, you will be surprised. So this is gonna be a big surprise. It's been about 3 to 4 weeks since the last time we went in, hand the keys over and went back. Ben, do whatever you want with it, it's up to you. So this is gonna be a big surprise now. Oh,
No tears.
I think I'm not the only one that misses the turns.
It's following the sat nav.
Don't follow your sat nav. You should know that by now. Where are you, Ben? All right, let's see if the door's something actually, so we can drive in. Oh, look at that. Polish perfection in there. Look at that. That's a postcode. That's the right postcode if you're looking for that. Should be in there. Yeah, he left the door open. We're breaking an entrance. Breaking an entrance. Look at that, it's got a wheel on the back. Wow. There you go, that should do. There we go. Honestly, I'm panicking about this. It's a daft there. It's another daft there. It's a Scania over there. That's the entrance there. All right, guys, the door is getting open now. We're gonna find out what the truck looks like right now. So just follow me there. Oh no, it's stretched to pieces now. Oh my. This guy, so I went, can I go down now? We're like, yeah, just come down and have a look at it. And look at this. Oh, mud guards disappeared. They gone. It's no mud guards. Like either side is nothing. Look at this. So all the stuff just hiding up under the steps there, and you can't still see stuff. So it's not been washed for a really long time. But this is the outcome of it. This is where we are right now, and we don't know where we're gonna be next. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's good. I can't wait to see it.
Look at that. Can't see the tank. This tank's well needed. Are we polishing this as well?
Yeah.
Tank's gonna be polished, and this is all the little pieces and bots from the truck as well. So all the black bit, all the red bit, the air kit as well. So it's literally so much to do. All right, we're good. Like, look at that. Woo! Look at that.
Hanging down the nut on this, and the tanks won't be off.
So, is this all you need to take off so far? Well,
Just gotta take the top air kit, and then it's mirrors and stuff then.
oh my gosh.
Susie Bond, what catwalks.
You got the catwalks as well?
They've got to come off, yeah, ready for painting and shit. And then, obviously the new ones to go on.
What have you got so far? You told me that you got a couple of things already.
Yeah, I've ordered all your underglow.
Yeah.
Catwalks are ready. Well, the sheeting's ready for me to pick up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a word with one of the customers. He's got 2 super single steels.
All right.
See if he'll sell them.
All right.
It just means you'll have to get super single tyres.
So you changed the mind on the color?
No, maybe.
Like I said before, like, it's up to you.
Similar to that.
Yeah.
But
So you want to turn it into that? I like that. So you like that?
Yes.
So you're happy
I
with
like that one. Yeah,
You're the
yeah,
boss.
Yeah, I think that looks better than the other reds.
Okay.
I think
It's more of a statement, doesn't
yeah,
it?
it stands out. You can't beat a black car suit. You generally can't.
Because I love black cars as well. It's up to you though, you're the one, isn't it?
Like I said before, like, choose the boss, do painting it. I haven't got a saying. If you want to change your mind last minute as well, like, go for that.
It's up to you.
No, mate.
You're
like,
driving it.
but you the one painting it. like, all right. When it comes to painting stuff like that, who's the professional when it comes to that?
Connor.
You are, because you're painting it.
Connor, I'm just...
All right, get him in here then.
I do like the idea of the black.
So it was your idea about painting it black. Oh, here's. Go on, be on.
Ben's.
Ben.
Yeah.
You say, so you're the spare on this, like, will you say black and red?
It's a good colour choice.
I like it,
Yeah,
I like
it's
it.
a good colour choice.
You black your wheels and put a nice red bead
So,
obviously you have your red ups,
yeah.
solid black wheel, then you can either feed that red or
Yeah.
do a strip in it red. That band, so it's got a red band in there.
All right.
The cab as well.
You got welding though?
I've got to do something, it's got a crack in the common plates. All they've done is the common plates, and that's the repair panels you get, and they just put them on.
All right.
But I drove.
So that's not like something major?
No, it's just a common problem. Hold it, listen it down, and I'll put that back on, just to give it the strength again. It's just a common thing on it.
Oh my God.
There's not many that you find that don't have it. A couple of lights.
You got the lights already here?
They're at home.
There you go. Ah man, what's the record?
I keep things like that at home.
That's all right.
Otherwise I end up.
I wanted the red one, but if you're saying the black will stand out more, and obviously what you just told me before, go for the black.
I think it's just, yeah, you'll have to clean it a bit more, but you do with red anyway, so.
Gonna have to get it clean every time, innit?
Yeah. Red these,
Yeah.
and then fade the black to the red, or the red to the black, so it carries down all of them.
All right.
And then the Scania badge, black it, but outline the lines in red so it fades. So you'll have a black strip through it all.
Yeah.
That's it.
All right.
Above your top step driver's side.
All right. Yeah.
Which it's, other than that, nothing's.
Like little things like that, they will break. The truck used to be white before, and then he painted green and red. I hate that green so much.
It's fucking nice.
That's so ugly. Like if you ask me, like I would never do that.
No.
But you got an update when Ben took the steps. He said that the driver that used to drive this must be hiding something. Well, we know what it is now.
There's a bin bag with it.
So all that was at the steps.
Wow.
How much so Ben has just been telling me that when they painted the truck, while he's taking stuff off, he found out that it was painted while being on the truck instead of being taken off.
Unit, yeah. But doing things like that, it's.
So what's wrong with here? Because I don't get, like, people might don't understand like we do.
It gives
like
you an edge.
So that was on, he never took any of the
No,
pieces
he's
off.
just painted it on.
And then you can tell that as well.
But that gives it an edge for water ingress.
Yeah.
And it's.
One thing, if you're looking to paint your truck as well, and you're looking for an amazing place, and obviously it's gonna get done well, just Google Polish Perfection Performance, and then we'll come up straight away. And this amazing guy is the one who's gonna be looking after the truck. So I'm gonna get on there, I'm gonna get hands on this time. So, trying to take this one as well, but it's too hard, so. All right, Lisa wants to have a go as well, taking it off, so. There you go.
Are you right standing up?
Yeah, so unscrew that one. Yeah, that's it. Just leave it. Yeah, that's it.
Leave it.
Yeah.
You just where do you want to go in the middle?
So yeah, in the middle, you just push it to the front. That's it.
Is that all you do? They're not coming out?
Yeah, you just move it out and then you just lift up.
Really?
Yeah. No, because that bit's gonna fall.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Really?
I think she's a little bit crazy about this now. We're draining the air of the tanks now, so we can take. Do you want to take the fuses, all of them off, like completely? Yeah. So we just took the fuses out now, and then just pull this one out. Look at the paint, they paint over that as well. There you go. Why would you paint over this stuff as well? Yeah. You'd be able to do it with that. Wait. You're right there.
You can try with that.
Let's see. Jesus. That's untied, boy. Yeah, I will do better.
Okay.
There you go. Thank you.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Yeah, I know. You still need the long one. I thought it was going to be heavier than that.
No,
We are taking off like quite a bit. I don't know what else. Hey, we got to be our break, isn't it? Taking off the 520. Oh my god.
Oh my days.
All right, that's a 520 there. I'm gonna take this home. It's a lot to do. Trying to take that mirror off, but he's rammed it off. So we gotta go in the back of the door now to make sure that we take this off. So need to take it off anyway for painting. Gotta take the panel, take that back out to be able to get to the ball on the other side. All right, we have taken everything off. As you can see, I showed you before, but we took the cowl grid, or the cowl book, took the size, took the mirrors, took the bonnet, took the step outside, like step that comes out when you climb on it, took this mirror as well, and the rest of the stuff that you have seen that we're taking. But that's the state of the truck, and you know what, I'm happy that we're doing all this. Even though that it's a nightmare, we're gonna get there. But the guy responsible for all that. All right, I'm just washing my hands now. It's been an amazing day. I managed to keep my hands dirty, and then I just get my hands washed now, obviously. Just waiting for Mitch to come around. When I finish the video, we're gonna record his truck as well. It's an amazing looking truck. I think after that, we're just gonna get home. I'm all dirty now as well. All right, guys, I just met Mitch right now. He's gonna take us around the truck. Fancy take us around? Yeah, cool. You show me the exhaust, the sound way. Yeah. You fancy going? Yeah, I wanna go with that. I heard this like 2 minutes ago, but sounds amazing. Oh my god, that's just going on. So listen to this. Woo! Hey, I'm made up about that. Hey, we gotta do this. We need to do this. Oh man. Hey mate, Mitch.
Very nice, good to meet you.
Follow him on TikTok.
V8_Mitch.
All right. Whenever you see this truck, take a picture of it, put him in any of the social medias and just tag him. All right guys, short up. This thing, honestly, that needs to short up. Anyway, had a Red Bull, bang, went out and bought me a Red Bull. The missus is absolutely knackered and really hungry, and we're gonna go and get something to eat. Guys, it's been an amazing day. You have seen like what we have done with the truck so far. We got hands-on, and then we met Mitch. Following his social media, as well. Go and have a look at his TikTok. He's got an amazing. All right, as I was saying, the camera just died on me then. It's been an amazing. If you can, please like, comment, subscribe, and the people that I've been with, I will leave the link for their social medias and below this video. So go and have a look. You did listen to Mitch Wagon. So go and supporting, following, and all that stuff. What an amazing truck, and it's been an amazing day as well. And she's very hungry, like I said before. Thank you.